Oh, gross. Okay, next.
Down to the road. Like little garden terraces.
Spring has arrived here in Japan, which means it's officially spring cleaning season. Last October, we bought this old Akiya house in rural Japan, and we've since tackled the first stage of clearing things out, like hauling garbage and visiting Japan's incineration centers. But even after removing the bulk, we're still a long ways from a sparkling, clean house.
That's a mud wasp now. See that?
If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is Pancake. We're Canadians living in the Japanese countryside and in the process of slowly bringing this Akiya house back to life. What's next is the tedious stage of recycling and figuring out what to do with years' worth of clothing. Like many, house cleaning starts with the easiest tasks. In our case, that meant removing the old furniture. Some of it practically disintegrating with age. As each piece comes out, the house starts to come out of its shell. But as those larger pieces disappear, the items that are less straightforward begin to reveal themselves. In Japan, large electronics fall under a system called kaden recycle, or home appliance recycling. Under this law, 4 items, including air conditioners, TVs, fridges, and washing machines, must be recycled through its special program.
Got my gloves.
They can't be put out with regular garbage. Instead, they're either taken back to the original retailer or to a licensed recycling center. We chose to take them directly to the recycling center, which meant looking up the manufacturer and product category to generate a recycling code for each item. for 2 TVs, 2 fridges, and 1 washing machine. We paid a little over 16,000 yen in recycling fees. For smaller electronics, the process is a bit easier. Many municipalities have free collection boxes for small devices, sometimes located at city halls, recycling centers, and even supermarkets. As long as it fits into the slot, it can go in. Another thing you quickly realize when clearing a house is just how much clothing we accumulate over time. And an old house like this tend to have plenty of it.
Spruce.
Many secondhand stores will accept clothing through an appraisal system. They sort through and decide what they can sell. And if you're lucky, you can walk away with a few extra yen in your pocket. Maybe just enough for a celebratory convenience store coffee.
Build it up so it maintains the same height as the house grade, all the way to the corner here, somewhere about here, and then just return it back into the bank. And I think this should be terraced down to the road, like little garden terraces. Look at this.
We're only just scratching the surface of what this house still holds. But with spring arriving, we're hoping to see more changes, both inside the house and out in the surrounding land. Thank you so much for joining us. And a big thank you to our amazing subscribers and our Patreon community. If you'd like to see a voiceover free version and other behind the scenes content, you can find them over on my Patreon. We'll see you next time. Bye.